Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Happy new week to you all. So guys, today's video I will be mixing this blue magic India hemp, which is really good for my hair, and it also contributes to my hair growth. I just finished one container of this product, so I decided to get another one. So you can see the price is quite affordable, €4.85, which is really good for this large amount of product. So I'm just going to scoop out like 3 spoons of this hair grease. So if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. So now I'm going to add castor oil. This is the white castor oil, which is still good for hair growth, and this is the extra dark castor oil. So I'm going to add 1 spoon as well, but 1 spoon of the white and 1 spoon of the extra dark. So if you don't have, and you can use any castor oil guys. So here I have my hemp seed oil. So here I have my jojoba oil, so I'm going to add jojoba oil to this as well. So here I have my safflower oil. I'm going to add 1 spoon of that as well. So here I have my vitamin E, vegetable vitamin E. I'm going to add about half spoon of this as well. So here I have my bamboo and aloe vera DIY oil. So here I have my coconut oil. So now guys, I have all the oil that I'm going to mix with this. I'm going to leave them at the description box below just in case you are not following, so they will be at the description box below. Now I'm just going to mix everything together. As you can see, this hair grease is really good to grow your hair. So if you just mix it the way I did and add other oil to it, you are going to see results in no time. So now, if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. If you like this video, share with your friends and family, give me thumbs up, and then also subscribe if you are new here. So now I'm just going to mix everything. As I've already mixed it, so I'm going to transfer it inside this little bowl for further use, because this hair grease is really good. You can use it on your hair every day or just 3 times a week. Just depend on how you feel like to use products on your hair. So if you are not just busy, you can use it 3 times a week or just every day on your hair. So the next thing is my aloe vera juice. This is homemade aloe vera juice. I just blend the aloe vera and I get the juice. So I'm just going to transfer it to my spray bottle. So I will be using this as water, leaving in water and the grease as well together. So this is the hair grease and the aloe vera juice that I made at home. So here it's time for me to apply the product to my hair. This is the current stage of my hair. So my hair is still good, it's still in good condition. So I really don't like leaving my hair out. So I always love to pull my hair in a protective style. So that is why I'm just going to put my hair back to a protective style. So I'll be doing a braid today. I'll be braiding my hair. So as you can see, this is just basically how I'm going to just do this to my hair today. So I'm just going to part my hair now. So now that I've pat my hair, I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner, which is the aloe vera juice. So guys, if you don't have aloe vera juice, you can just use normal water. There's no problem about that. So I have this aloe vera that is been staying, so it's almost getting to spoiled, so I just decided to make juice out of it before it will get spoiled. So if you don't have aloe vera juice, you can just use normal juice. So here is the hair grease that I mixed before. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand, rub it together, then I will rub it on my hair, as you can see me doing right here. So guys, this product is really good for hair growth. If you have used Indian hemp before, you will know that it's a very good product, like it can really contribute to your hair growth. You can also use it on your scalp if you want. If you don't like using grease on your scalp, just use it only on your hair. Me, I don't mind using it on my scalp and also on my hair. It's also good to condition and also contribute to your hair growth from the roots. Okay, so now I'm just going to brush my hair, comb my hair, so distribute the product. Then the next thing, I'm going to braid my hair. So today I will be doing braid. I'll be doing braid since this month, I think so. Like, I'm really into braid now. So today I'll also be doing braid. So guys, at this point I'm just going to go off camera to do the rest of my braid. As you can see how beautiful this tree look like now. So this is how the rest is going to look like. So I will just go off camera because I don't want this video to be so guys, now I am back. I'm done with the rest of my hair. As you can see, this is going to be a protective style. I will take it down when I want to wash my hair. So see you on my next video. Right now I'm just going to put it on my scalp because when I was doing it at the first time I did not put anything on my scalp, but now I'm just going to rub it on my scalp and also on my edges just to massage it on my edges to keep my edges growing. So that is all for this video guys. If you like, share with your friends and family, and if you also like this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. Bye bye, happy new week.